Here's my project right here in VS Code. I have my Swagger saver and I'm following MVC design approach. I have my controller, I have my middleware, my module, and I have my other files. Of course, the routes too, and I also have my REST client endpoints all in place. All right. Now, going back to my browser, I have three collections. I have the recipe collection, as you can see it right here, and I have my session right here. Just a second. All right, I have my session right here for storing all those instances when I log in, log out of GitHub. So right here it is an ID, expiry date, and so on. And also the session stored as a cookie. And then I have my ingredients collection. It has various. There's ingredient ID. Okay, hold on a second. Just taking some minutes. Just wait and see here. All right. So ID, name, category, nutritional value, ingredient, allergic condition. State. Is it allergic? Shelf life, storage instructions, and so on. And so these are my three collections. Now, going to I've been using this. Okay, let me cancel. So here's my Swagger. Let me try to go to the index page, to the root page. That is okay. So a user should be able to log in to access the APIs. If they're not logged in, they can't. So let's test that. Let's test when they're logged in to see if they can still access those. Okay. So here let's see if I can get all ingredients. I should get a message that I'm not authorized to access those. Yeah, right here. I cannot access that. That's true. Let's see at the endpoint here. Let's see if I can create a new one. I'm gonna say, let's say here potato. Okay, let's just remove that. Yeah, that's true. I'm not authorized to access. So unauthorized access requires login. It's true. And let's go to the recipe. I should get a similar message. Let's try out. Execute. Oh, I want to recipe. Okay, right here. Try out. Execute. All right, I cannot. Now, let me log in and then come back and see if we can succeed. So log in with GitHub. It's easy as that. I get a welcome message. That's cool. Now, API docs. I'll test several endpoints to see if it's really working. Now I'm authorized to. So let's see if I can try to execute. Yeah, it worked. So I can see I have this response body. This is what has been returned. Let's see if I can create a new ingredient. Try out. Let's just say kit. Let's just say tea, for instance. I don't know if tea is an ingredient. Anyway, just for tasting purposes. So I should get an updated. Okay, it worked. Details. I have tea, so it says being created. That's cool. That's good. Let's see if I can get an ingredient by ID. Try out. Okay, I already have a dummy. So that should give us carrot. Let me execute. Oh, ingredient not found. Interesting. Let me try to go back to the first execution and copy the ID for bread. Right there, and then come back and paste it right here. Okay, execute. That should work. Alright, you see I have bread. That worked. Cool. I have bread right there. Now, next endpoint will be put. Let's see if I can put actually. Let's try. Alright, so as you can see, my API is working. Let's try to execute. This is what we get. Yeah, got that. We got carrot. Alright, that worked. Then let's see if we can delete again. Try out. My network is so slow. What's happening? Okay, I should be able to log out. I mean to delete that ingredient. Alright, right there. Ingredient is deleted. And then it works the same for receipts and so on. So yeah, so that has been the assignment.